Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems involving piecewise functions often look tricky, but you can master them in 60 seconds by following this simple 3-step process to find derivatives. First, check if the function is continuous at x equals -1. Both pieces meet at the same y value, so the function is continuous. You got this. Let's go now. Now find the derivative of each piece. The left side gives a constant slope of 3, while the right side gives a slope of 2 at -1. Boom, done! Since the left-hand derivative does not equal the right-hand derivative, the derivative at -1 does not exist. That makes option D our final winner for this math problem. Clear win! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't skip continuity or assume values. Always check one-sided limits and compare the slopes instead.